Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy trick to reverse videos right inside Canva. First, open Canva and start a new project. I'll use this video as an example. On the left panel, go to the App section and search for the Video Reverser tool. Once you find it, click to open, then hit the Start button. Next, simply click Export. Processing time may take a moment depending on the size of your video. Once it's done, you'll be taken to a settings screen. Here, you can adjust your audio preferences and playback speed if you'd like. Now click Reverse Video to apply the effect. Wait for the processing to finish and then select Add to Design to insert your reversed video into your project. The reversed clip will also be saved automatically in your Canva uploads so you can reuse it anytime. And that's it. Super quick and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more Canva tips, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.